Do you dream of becoming wealthy? Do you wish to earn higher returns by investing in stock market? But if you do not have time, knowledge and expertise to invest directly in the stock market, mutual fund is the smartest and the most convenient way for you. For example, direct investing in stock market is like driving a car on your own. You must know the convenient route to reach your destination and you must be very alert while driving. On the other side, mutual funds are like hiring a cab. Fund manager is the expert driver who knows the safest and convenient way to your destination. So why not let the experts do the job and enjoy the hassle-free journey? Not just that, your money is managed by well-qualified fund managers and research team. Since they are managing large pool of money of investors, cost of managing your money is very low. Your risk is minimized by investing money in different securities. And your investment is as liquid as savings bank account. So whenever you want, your money will be in your hands. You can invest with a lump sum amount or in installments by starting systematic investment plan. Mutual funds are tax efficient and SEBI closely regulates them. That's not all. No big amount required. You can start investing with just 500 rupees. You can choose the best plan for you from wide range of plans. तो अगर आपके पास टाइम, नॉलेज और एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है तो म्यूचुअल फंड सही है। अब ऑनलाइन इन्वेस्ट करें बेफिक्र क्योंकि फंड बाजार सही है। इन्वेस्ट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर। फॉर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट योर फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर।